How to crossplay Overcooked 2 between Steam and Epic Games. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Head towards the library section. Over here, you're gonna find different game options. Go ahead and click on the option of Overcooked 2. As if right now I don't have Overcooked 2, so for a demonstration purpose, I'm gonna use any of the game. Just double click on the Overcooked 2. Different options will pop up. Go ahead and click on the option of properties, open it. Now click on the option of betas, open it. Now over here you'll find the option of crossplay branch. As right now I'm not using Overcooked, I'm not getting the option of crossplay branch. When you try for Overcooked, you will find the option of crossplay branch over here. You have to click on it. After you set it to crossplay, you have to reinstall the app. And with that, you will be good to go. Well, this way you can easily crossplay Overcooked 2 on Steam and Epic Games. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.